How to add video on Shopify homepage with Autoplay. My name is Krause and in today's Shopify tutorial I'm going to show you everything needed to successfully add a video of your choice onto your Shopify homepage with Autoplay enabled. So to get started, you basically do want to head over to your Shopify dashboard, and then we basically do want to add the video that we want to add onto our homepage. So to do so, we will actually have to head over to content, and then under files, you will have to actually upload your video. So just click on upload files, then I'm just going to select a random video right now. I'm just going to upload my course preview video. By the way, if you do want to get my free Shopify course, make sure to do so with the link down below. Either way, this is going to upload right now. As for the file type, I would just recommend you to use an MP4 for this. I personally didn't try out all of the other file types. They could work, I don't know, but I would just recommend you, if you for example do have a MK file or anything else than an MP4, just make sure to convert it. That there are a lot of converting tools out there, as you can see right here. Basically you can do anything related to MP4. You can convert an MOV to MP4 and so on. I would just recommend you to do this. Either way, once your video is added onto the file section, we can actually go ahead and open up our online store editor right here. So just head over to online store, and then under themes, make sure to select the current theme that you want to actually add the video to, and then click on customize. Now I personally use the Dawn theme right now, and however, no worries, this is going to work for all of the themes out there. I just personally do like the Dawn theme, that's why I'm using it. So either way, just click on customize right here, and then basically the Shopify editor is going to open up. I assume most of you are already familiar with this, and then we will basically have to find the place where we want to add the video to. In my case, I'm just going to add the video right underneath this featured product section right here. So I'm just going to find this on the left, and then I'm going to use this add section button right here. And then this is really important. We do not want to add a video section. We want to rather add a custom liquid section right here. Okay, so as you can see, now a custom liquid section got added, and now you do need to head over to the link down below. We actually do need to paste in this code right here. No worries, you will find the link down below. Just make sure to copy this and then paste this onto the section right here. However, we aren't done yet. As you can see, as of right now, the video doesn't really show up. So we now need to actually save this. Now we need to head back out of this, and we actually do need to find the video that we have just uploaded. In my case, this would be this course preview right here. So I'm just going to copy the link. Then we do need to head back to our customize, basically to our customizer. We do need to find the section, and now we do need to paste the link in right here. So I'm just going to paste this in. So then I'm going to also paste this in for this section right here. This is really important. So, as you can see, now this successfully got added. Perfect. However, if you, for example, do want to make this smaller or bigger, you can do so by changing up the width and the height of this. So if you, for example, only want to make this 50%, then you could do so right here. In some cases, this actually makes sense. You can actually also just leave this at, I don't know, 90%, depending on your own preferences. As for the height, I wouldn't actually recommend you to play around with this too much, as this, for example, can stretch the video quite a bit. But for example, let's say we are going to make 40% of the height, which is then going to look something like this, which I think does actually look pretty good. And that's basically it for adding a video onto your homepage. We all know that starting a successful Shopify store can be super hard. That's why I'm right now giving out my Shopify course for completely free. Now you're going to learn everything needed to actually streamline your Shopify success in that exact course. So make sure to click on the link down below to get started.